In this video, we'll look at Ford Motor Company's recent announcement that it will delay about $12 billion in planned spending on new EV manufacturing capacity. What does this decision mean for Ford, and how might it affect the broader electric vehicle landscape? In one of my previous videos about Ford, I talked about how the company is cutting one of its production shifts for its F-150 Lightning EV pickup truck. This is due to a sales decline of 46% of the vehicle in the third quarter of this year. Hello everyone, my name is Mark Weich. Thanks for checking out this video on cleanearth.io. Before I continue, if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. By doing that, you're really helping us to grow our platform as well as improve what we do here, and we simply appreciate it. So what's behind this announcement? Well, Ford recently disclosed that many customers in North America are unwilling to pay a premium for EVs over their internal combustion engine or hybrid counterparts. The result, a delay in billions of dollars in investments in new EV manufacturing facilities, including a second battery plant facility or manufacturing facility in Kentucky. Now, it's worth noting that Ford's EV business unit, Model E, posted an operating loss of about $1.3 billion in the third quarter of 2023. That's roughly double the loss of a year ago, despite a 26% increase in revenue. So are you surprised by these numbers? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, going back to the point about Ford's North America customers being unwilling to pay a premium for EVs over their internal combustion engine or hybrid counterparts. Did Ford underestimate the market for EVs? So their current lineup consists of the Ford F-150 Lightning, the Mustang Mach-E crossover, and the E-Transit electric van. Now, F-150 has been Ford's best-selling vehicle for decades. It has also been one of the best-selling vehicles, if not the best-selling vehicle, in North America over that span. Mustang, for the better part of its history, has gotten favorable impressions from the market. As an EV, it's obviously a very different product that leans on the recognition and emotion of the Mustang name. So perhaps Ford Motor Company overplayed their hand as it relates to the potential of their two strongest products as EVs. So what's the perspective from Ford executives? Well, Ford Chief Financial Officer John Lawyer stressed that Ford isn't pulling the plug on EVs altogether. Instead, the company is adjusting the speed at which it increases its EV manufacturing capacity. To that point, construction of Blue Oval City, Ford's new EV manufacturing campus in Tennessee, will still continue as planned. Lawler's statement is that the customer is going to decide what the volumes are for Ford's EV manufacturing, and he describes it as an adaptable approach. Now, Ford isn't alone in its cautious outlook. Honda has stopped the development of an affordable electric vehicle, and General Motors has also revised its EV production goals. So what's the key takeaway? Well, the automotive industry is still trying to balance how to match production with actual demand. But what do you think this means for the future of EVs and their adoption? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. So all in all, it looks like the EV industry is really sort of undergoing a reevaluation of its plans. And obviously Ford, being one of the world's largest auto manufacturers, as well as a US-based manufacturer, they really have to sort of rethink their plans. They are sort of kind of caught in the middle layer between companies like Tesla and Rivian, where they've really sort of followed these companies and introduced products that really sort of keep them in the EV game, make them relevant, and also really cater to a market that are increasingly interested in EVs. However, it has come at a large cost. Obviously, the businesses are losing money. The products are losing in sales, namely the Ford F-150 Lightning. These are also first-generation vehicles, so the capital investment required to design, engineer, and manufacture these vehicles is going to be high. And it looks like Ford is really sort of feeling kind of the impact of those investments, but then also real sort of challenges in the market as it relates to economic conditions and overall consumer demand for EVs. Now, obviously there's only so much of a market for vehicles like F-150 Lightning and Mustang Mach-E given their price points and given that they're still very early models. So let us know what you think about sort of this announcement from Ford and the direction that they should take. And also, is this really sort of something the broader EV industry should be cautious of? So let us know your comments in the comment section below. And while you're still here, don't forget to hit that like button. We really appreciate it. Once again, thanks for checking out this video, and we'll see you in the next one soon.